Hello lovelies, thanks for stopping by today. So today we are making the super delicious, quick and easy tomato sauce with chicken and veggies. Oh my goodness, very yummy. Welcome to the sunshine side of YouTube. My name is Teresa Metuka, but today we're hearing the voice of Melissa, the AI. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy this video.
Hello lovelies, thank you Teresa. Welcome to Teresa's channel. I'm Melissa, the AI, so the first thing to do is to prep for the ingredients. Cut chicken breast into strips. Teresa always finds ways to eat chicken. Get ready to see hundreds of recipes that has chickens on her channel. Her love for chicken is something that needs studying. What? Is Teresa eating raw chicken? It looks like she's putting the chicken strips in her mouth. Oh, for some seconds, my heart skipped. I thought she wanted to eat raw chicken. No need to panic, people. Her love for chicken isn't that bad. I hope so. Always remember to handle your chicken with care. Try as much as possible to use separate cutting boards for raw chicken. Season the chicken strips with some spices. Teresa used garlic powder, sage, coriander powder, mustard powder, rosemary, salt, pepper flakes, and turmeric. You don't have to necessarily use the spices she used. Use your favorite spices, but I highly recommend you should. These spices will transform your cooking, making it more flavorful and aromatic. Teresa's neighbors always compliment the aroma that comes out of her kitchen, but she has devised a way to act like she's not the one to avoid unwanted guests. Mix properly, cover up and place in the fridge for some minutes, and prep for other ingredients. This will help add more depths of flavors. If you're enjoying this video, do well by clicking on the like button and dropping a nice comment. If you are yet to subscribe, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification button to get notified when Teresa drops new video. Thank you. The next we are prepping for is carrots. Cut carrots into strips or juliennes. When Teresa was told the price of the carrots, she was just screaming. She thought the carrot seller was lying about the price. She had to confirm the price like 10 times. She was just searching for the biggest one to compensate for the price. For someone that was complaining about the price, she wants to eat all the carrots before adding to the sauce. Teresa always eats most of her prep items, and when the main food is ready, she doesn't eat, and everyone thinks she's dieting. Wake up, people! She has eaten more than you. Cut green beans into 2 or 3 pieces depending on the size. Thank goodness she can't eat this raw. Cut bell peppers into strips. You can decide to cut the veggies in whatever form you like, but cutting into strips increases their surface area, which can help them cook more evenly and quickly, and also makes them easier to incorporate. Dice garlic, ginger, and onions. Heat up some oil. Add the seasoned chicken. Spread out properly in order for the chicken to cook well. Teresa has been wondering why turkey breasts are not common in Nigeria, or is it due to the excess bone? Fry until golden brown. I know if we had to count the chicken strips when ready, like 10 would be out. Oh, Teresa, who did this to you? I hope I'm not the only one seeing this, but the chicken has drastically reduced. Bring down. Add oil to saucepan, heat up, add the onions, garlic, and ginger. Caramelize to release its sweetness and aromatic flavor. Add the already cooked, roughly blended tomato, Scotch bonnet pepper, cayenne pepper, onions, and red bell pepper. This is the tomato mix that Teresa preserved without refrigerating. You can check the video on how to preserve tomato without refrigerating on her channel by clicking on the link that will appear before the end of this video, or check the description box for the link. Teresa is so happy as she is chilling, and most people are complaining about the hike in tomato price. Well, she said it. Although she has almost finished her preserved tomato, she will soon know the current price, and I know her scream will be so loud. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this delicious recipe. This sauce is very, very delicious and quick to make. Like I said before, the tomato mix is already cooked, so no need to dry. But if yours haven't been cooked, leave to dry, but don't forget to stir occasionally to avoid burning. Add in spices. Teresa used seasoning cubes, curry, rosemary, sage, and coriander. Add in the chicken and green beans. Leave to cook for a minute to soften the green beans. Add some water to loosen the sauce a bit. You can add chicken broth also. Teresa doesn't have chicken broth as she might have drank it, since she's so obsessed with chicken. I wouldn't be shocked. Just saying. After a minute, add in the carrots and bell peppers. Stir properly. Add more water if it's too thick. Oh, Teresa, don't finish the chicken. You said this is a chicken veggie sauce, but if all the chicken is gone, then it's no longer a chicken veggie sauce. Guys, we need an intervention plan for this situation. I will be at the comment section to read the plans. Cook for some seconds. Garnish with spring onions. Stir and bring down. Oh my goodness! This is so yummy and delicious. Please try as much as possible not overcook your veggies to retain its nutritional value. Do try out this recipe and drop a comment below. It's very easy and delicious, as you have seen. Is even a way to incorporate more veggies into your meals, and it's perfect for children. Teresa enjoyed the sauce with spaghetti. I know the first thing she ate was the chicken. She also packaged some sauce for her sister. Her sister is another case. Let me not go into details. Thanks a zillion for watching. I really appreciate. God bless you. Bye for now. As Teresa always says, I will see you on the other flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses.